Now that we know what is an IDE and how we can download and install the CodeBlocks IDE, it is time to write our first program using the CodeBlocks IDE. Click CodeBlocks shortcut on your desktop to open the CodeBlocks IDE. Click File and this will open the File menu. Then click New and under New click File. Then double click C/C++ source and click Next. As you can see that C has been selected by default, so leave it as it is and click Next. Now you must specify the name of the file. Let me call this file hello and press save. Once you press the save button, you can see the complete path of your file here, okay? And then press finish. Let us now type the program in the CodeBlocks IDE. We will start off with the header file #include stdio.h inside the angular brackets. Then you will write int main void followed by a pair of braces, and then we'll write printf and we'll type a message hello world, and then place a semicolon at the end of this statement. Then we'll write return 0. This #include stdio.h is your header file. Then next line is int main void. Int is the return type of this function. Since this function returns an integer type value, so the return type is int. Main is the name of the function and void means that the function does not take any arguments, okay? This statement printf is used to print the message on your computer's output screen. And every statement in C must end with a semicolon. Once you have typed in the program, the next step is to compile or build your program. You can build your program using the yellow gear at the top left corner, and to run the program you can click the green right facing arrow next to the gear icon. Let us first build this program using this yellow gear icon. As you can see that there are 0 errors in this program and there are 0 warnings. So we can now run the program using this green right facing arrow next to the gear icon, yellow gear icon, okay? You can see the message hello world has been printed on the computer's output screen, okay? The next icon in the row contains both gear and arrow symbols and can be used to build and run your program in one step. So this icon comes in handy as it reduces the number of clicks you must perform from 2 to just 1, okay? You can perform the build and run together in one step using this icon, okay? It is very important that the students know the difference between compile and build. Build includes compiling, linking and creation of your executable file. Okay, so all these steps are part of the build process, and thus we may say that compiling is just one part of the build process. Okay, so this is the difference between compile and build. Okay. I hope you found today's lesson useful. See you in the next lesson.